Are you struggling to navigate tricky zones like this one, and you had no idea why it got wicked before they moved up? Or you saw price creating this zone, but you had no idea which zone to trust? In today's review, I'm going to show you how you could have nailed it with both the money maker and the glitch setups, and when you had to switch to a higher time frame to avoid trap zones. Also, a big shout out to Esed Mehmed for getting funded with Bullnox, and SheDB for securing not one, but two my funded futures accounts. So stick around, this could be the game changer video you've been looking for. Okay, before we dive in, I want to remind you that everything I do here is completely free. No hidden charges, no paid services. Our Discord community, which is also free, is growing strong with over 2,000 members, all filled with positive energy and a genuine desire to help each other succeed. If you are not already part of it, make sure to join us and become part of this amazing community. The link is in the pinned comment below. Alright, now let's jump into the action from Friday the 30th August and see how the moneymaker, the glitch setup, and also Stoic Trader's Golden SBS or our Golden Bullet strategies played out. We'll also take a look at where switching to a higher time frame made all the difference. Okay, first setup for the day happened in London at 3 AM. Order flow on the M1 was clearly bullish. We close under this last up closing candle, which make this a valid pullback. The moment we close above this pullback high, we have a valid bullish zone. We place our limits at the 50% of the zone. Our stop loss is one tick below the zone, and we take the 1-to-1 as per the moneymaker system. 8 minutes later, we have our 15 points win. Congrats to the traders that took it. Kenan Barents, Esed Mehmed, and Koray. Kenan was done for the day after this trade. Esed Mehmed saw it as an A+ setup. Koray, in the other hand, mixed it with the Golden SBS and had his first trade for the day. Congratulations on your trade, guys, you nailed it. Second trade for the day. Price closed under this last up closing candle, which made this a valid pullback. Price accumulates for some time and then finally close above the pullback high, which make this zone now our valid bullish zone. We place our limits at the 50%, the stop one tick below the zone, and we take the 1-to-1. Price accumulates, then filled us in.
A few moments later.
19 minutes later, our take profit was hit. Second win for the day. Congratulations to the traders who took it. JP, Marcus, and Yannick's. Trade number 3. Price closes under this last up closing candle, making this a valid pullback. Price then closes above the valid pullback high, making this a valid zone. Now the only problem with this zone is that it has an unmitigated glitch zone just under it. So in these cases, we never trust this zone to hold, and what we do instead is we take the glitch trade from the 50%, we place the stop loss one tick under the glitch zone, and we take the 1-to-1.
A few moments later.
Some minutes later, and as predicted, price blasts through the zone and gave us the 1-to-1 glitch win in 2 minutes. So this shows that if you respect your rules and looking carefully what market is telling you, you will have your third win for the day. Congratulations to the traders that took this trade. Sol Trades and JP. JP, in the other hand, took a glitch Pro Max. The glitch Pro Max, in the other hand, is nothing but taking the glitch from the 50% and then targeting the next week high, assuming you are reading market structure very well. The glitch Pro Max trades have higher RR trades. In this case, it was a 6R trade. Trade number 3. Price closes under this last up closing candle, making this a valid pullback. Price then closes above the high that made the pullback, making this a valid bullish zone. We place our limits at the 50%. Our stop loss is one tick under the zone, and we target the 1-to-1. In only 2 minutes later, our take profit is hit, and that's our fourth win for the day. Unfortunately, no trader took this trade on M1 in the Discord, because they were busy taking trades on the 15 seconds time frame. Trade number 5. Price closed under this last up closing bullish candle, making this a valid pullback. Price then closes above the valid pullback high, making this a valid bullish zone. We place the limits at the 50%. The stop loss is one tick under the zone, and we take the 1-to-1.
A few moments later.
In just 2 minutes, our take profit was hit. It It was actually our 5th win of the day. Congratulations to Yannick for taking this trade, although he did a little mistake. He only covered the bodies for the zone. Next time, Yannick, please cover the wicks also in the zone. Trade number 6. Price reached the 50% of the higher time frame M5 bearish zone. Price then closed under the last protected low on the M1, making this our bearish zone. I can see that this zone have an unmitigated glitch in it. So there's actually 3 trades you can take from this zone. Trade number 1, taking the 1-to-1 from the 50% of the bearish zone. Trade number 2, and its higher probability, taking the 1-to-1 from the 50% of the glitch zone. Trade number 3, taking a glitch Pro Max trade and targeting the next week low for a 2-hour trade. Congratulations to the traders who took it. Ashpool, he took the glitch variation, and Predator also took the glitch variation. Guys, to be honest, are smart because they know the glitch variation is the highest probability trade in here. Trade number 7. Price closed above this last down closing candle and validates this as a valid pullback. Price then closed under the pullback low, which validates this zone as a bearish valid zone. We place our limits at the 50%. We cover 1 tick above the valid zone and we take the 1-to-1.
A few moments later.
After waiting for some minutes, we just got our 7th win. Congratulations to my boy, DTFX. He was the only trader who took this very trade. Trade number 8. We closed above this last down closing candle, validating this as a valid pullback. Price then went and closed under the pullback low, validating this as a valid bearish zone. We place our limits at the 50%. Stop loss is 1 tick above the zone and we take the 1-to-1. After some minutes of waiting, this was unfortunately our first loss. I personally took this loss, which was not a very bad problem. What was bad though is that I didn't see this glitch zone. I was thinking those were equal highs, but this high closed above this high by just a tick, making this a bearish glitch zone. So by respecting the rules, you never take a trade that has an unmitigated glitch just above it. It was hard luck for me, but congratulations to said DG who spotted that glitch and took that very trade. Trade number 9. Price closes above this last down closing candle, validating this as a valid pullback. Price then closed under this last pullback low, validating this as a valid bearish zone. We place our limits at the 50%. Our stop loss is 1 tick above the zone.
A few moments later.
After some minutes of waiting, our TP was hit, and that was our 8th win. Congratulations to James Buddy. He went to the 15-second chart and he spotted this glitch zone. So he took this 1-to-1 for a fast and very high probability trade. Trade number 10. Price closed above this last down closing candle, validating this as a valid pullback. Price then went and closed under the pullback low, validating this as a valid bearish zone. After lots of minutes of waiting, this was unfortunately our 2nd loss. Price has maybe flipped bullish in here and is maybe mitigating something higher, which is what happened. But and according to the rules, if we are up for the day, we stop at maximum 2 losses for the day. This rule not only protects us from revenge trading, but it also saves our profits when we are up for the day. Thanks for sticking around. As you saw, we had 8 wins and just 2 losses using the moneymaker, the glitch, proving once again how powerful these strategies can be. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any futures update. And if you want to dive deeper into the moneymaker setup, check out the playlist that will pop up in the end screen. It's packed with everything you need to get started. Remember, everything I do is free, including our thriving Discord community. Join us and let's keep growing together. Ciao ciao.